In this video, I will help you find the best bullet blender in 2024. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. NutriBullet Pro 900 Blender, best for smoothies. When it comes to making delicious and nutritious smoothies, the NutriBullet Pro 900 blender is a game changer. This powerful blender is designed to provide you with the perfect smoothie every time. With its 900-watt motor, the NutriBullet Pro 900 can easily blend through tough ingredients like frozen fruit and leafy greens, ensuring a smooth and creamy consistency. One of the standout features of the NutriBullet Pro 900 is its user-friendly design. The blender comes with two large cups, a 32-ounce cup and a 24-ounce cup, allowing you to make single servings or larger batches of smoothies. The cups are also conveniently marked with measurement lines, making it easy to follow recipes or measure ingredients on the go. In terms of performance, the NutriBullet Pro 900 doesn't disappoint. Its powerful motor and high-speed blade rotation ensure that all ingredients are thoroughly blended, resulting in smooth and luscious smoothies. Whether you're making a green smoothie packed with kale and spinach or a refreshing fruit smoothie, the NutriBullet Pro 900 can handle it all. Cleaning the NutriBullet Pro 900 is also a breeze. The cups, lids, and blades are all dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Additionally, the blender's compact size makes it easy to store in your kitchen cabinet or countertop. Number 4. Ninja Blender, best for value. After exploring the impressive features of the NutriBullet Pro 900, let's now turn our attention to the Ninja Blender, a fantastic option that offers great value for your money. The Ninja Blender is a powerful and versatile machine that's perfect for those who want to blend and puree a variety of ingredients without breaking the bank. One of the standout features of the Ninja Blender is its 1000-watt motor, which provides strong blending performance and ensures that your smoothies and shakes come out smooth and creamy every time. The blender also comes with a 72-ounce pitcher, allowing you to make large batches of your favorite drinks or even soups and sauces. In addition to its powerful motor and large pitcher, the Ninja Blender also offers a range of useful features. It has multiple speed settings, including a pulse function, which gives you more control over the consistency of your blends. The blender also comes with a convenient lid with a pour spout, making it easy to pour your creations without any mess. Cleaning the Ninja Blender is a breeze as well. The pitcher, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The blender's sleek and compact design also makes it easy to store when not in use. Number 3. NutriBullet Pro 1000 Personal Blender, best for power. The NutriBullet Pro 1000 Personal Blender is a powerhouse when it comes to blending, delivering impressive performance and exceptional power. With its 1000-watt motor, this blender can easily handle tough ingredients like frozen fruits and ice. I was amazed at how quickly and smoothly it blended everything I threw at it. Whether I was making smoothies, sauces, or even soups, the NutriBullet Pro 1000 delivered consistent results every time. One feature that sets this blender apart is its easy-to-twist extractor blade. This blade is specifically designed to break down tough ingredients and extract nutrients from fruits and vegetables. I found that it made the blending process much more efficient, resulting in smoother and creamier textures. Another great feature of the NutriBullet Pro 1000 is its suction cups, which keep the blender securely in place during use. I appreciated this extra stability, especially when blending at high speeds. It gave me peace of mind knowing that the blender wouldn't move or tip over. Cleaning the NutriBullet Pro 1000 is also a breeze. The cups, lids, and blade can be easily washed by hand with soap and water. I also appreciated that the blade placement made it easy to clean without any hard-to-reach areas. Number 2. Cuisinart Portable Blending Chopping System, best for versatility. The Cuisinart Portable Blending Chopping System offers exceptional versatility, making it a must-have kitchen appliance for anyone looking to expand their culinary capabilities. This blender isn't just limited to smoothies and shakes. It can also handle a wide range of tasks like chopping vegetables, grinding spices, and even making homemade baby food. With its powerful 350-watt motor, this blender can effortlessly blend and chop even the toughest ingredients. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Portable Blending/Chopping System is its compact size. It comes with a 32-ounce blender cup and 4 16-ounce travel cups, making it perfect for on-the-go use. The cups are made of durable BPA-free plastic and come with spill-proof lids, ensuring mess-free transportation. In terms of functionality, this blender offers two speed settings, high and low, as well as a pulse function for precise control. The stainless steel blades are sharp and efficient, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. Cleaning is also a breeze with the removable blade assembly and dishwasher-safe parts. What sets the Cuisinart Portable Blending/Chopping System apart from other bullet blenders is its versatility. Whether you want to whip up a refreshing smoothie, create a creamy soup, or prepare a flavorful salsa, this blender has got you covered. Its compact size, powerful motor, and range of accessories make it the perfect companion for any kitchen. Number 1. Zwilling Infinity Personal Blender. Best for design. Now let's explore the exciting world of the Zwilling Infinity Personal Blender and its innovative design. The first thing that stands out about this blender is its sleek and modern look. The stainless steel housing gives it a luxurious feel, while the compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go use. One of the standout features of the Zwilling Infinity is its intuitive touch control panel. With just a simple touch, you can easily select your desired blending speed or choose from one of the preset programs for smoothies, shakes, or even crushing guides. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and convenient to use, even for those who aren't familiar with blender settings. Another great design element of the Zwilling Infinity is its powerful motor. With 1000 watts of blending power, this blender can effortlessly blend through tough ingredients, resulting in smooth and creamy textures. Whether you're making a thick and creamy smoothie or grinding nuts for homemade nut butter, the Zwilling Infinity can handle it all. The blender also comes with a variety of accessories that enhance its functionality. The included 20-ounce blending cups is perfect for single servings or personal-sized smoothies, and the 10-ounce chopping cup is great for chopping herbs or making small batches of sauces. Additionally, the blender is equipped with a convenient travel lid, allowing you to take your creations on the go. In terms of maintenance, the Zwilling Infinity is a breeze to clean. The blending cups and lids are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. The stainless steel housing can be wiped clean with a damp cloth, keeping it looking shiny and new. And with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next time. Peace out.